Hi everyone. Today let's talk about the art of letting go, not holding emotions in us. I used to be a person who used to find very difficult to let go. I used to hold everything in me, all kind of emotion, anger, jealousy, hurt, holding grudges against other person, and long time grudges, maybe 5 years, 10 years back. Oh, you said me this, you did this to me, I was so hurt by this, you did this to me. And blaming others for my condition, whatever bad happened in my life most of the time, okay, because of this person, because of you, because you did this. And it used to hold me back so much, and I knew that I had to let go, but I was not being able to do it. But with fruit diet, it has become very easy for me to let go. I don't nowadays I don't become so much bothered by small things. It's all about letting go. It's if people get angry, if people want to leave, if relationship break, it's okay. The time has come. The universe wants it this way, and that's fine. Not holding anything against that person. That is also very important, because most of the time we hold a lot of things against other people, and that really makes it difficult for our emotional healing. We might be physically healing a lot of things, but if we have emotional baggage on us, then the healing stops and it does not go ahead. And then again we are back to cravings, we are back to anxiety, we are back to anxious binge eating or anything else, because we have not emotionally healed ourselves. It takes time, but we have to let go of things that are bothering us. A lot of time, lot of emotions we hold against other people or situations. Sometimes we blame us for a lot of things, self blame. That is also very dangerous. We need to have confidence in ourselves. I also did not have much confidence in myself and used to blame a lot of things on me. Oh, because of I should not have done that, and always going in past. Oh my God, I should not have done that. If I had not done that, then I would not be facing this. Not being able to accept. Okay, this was what had to happen that time, and it's okay, it has happened. Now how to move ahead? No, always thinking about past. No, I should not have done this, I should not have done that, because I did this and now I'm facing this. Or maybe because you did this to me. And many times, with my friends, even with my husband, I used to quarrel a lot. Because you did this to me, you said me this 5 years back at this time, you said me this, and I was so hurt, taking so much of grudges. But that was always holding me down. So think, if you are also having a lot of emotional taking a lot of emotional baggage with you, just think like, what kind of emotions are you taking? Maybe it is self blame, maybe it is blaming others, maybe holding grudges against other people, or being bothered by small things. But if we when we are in this fruit journey, for me it really worked. Now what I do is, like, I try to surrender everything to the universe, and I try to live in surrender mode. Like, whatever is happening, yeah, universe wants it to happen. The time has come. People leave, friendships end, lot of relationship end, but nowadays that does not bother me much. It's okay, the time has come. We were together in a journey. Now their journey is different, my journey is different. It's okay, the time has come. So that has become my mantra these days. Time has come. In everything that's happening around me, if it bothers me, the time has come for it to happen or for it to end. And the universe wants it to happen this way. So that way can really help. Writing down the emotions that is weighing us down, that can also really help. That has really helped me. The art of letting go. Yeah, things are not always in my control. And also other thing is, like, many times we want everything to be happen as per what we want, but that is not going to happen. Nobody else is going to work as per what we want, and we need to understand that no, it's not going to happen. We cannot control anybody, we cannot control other people's life. It's just us that we need to work on ourselves. We can inspire, we can motivate, we can share our experience, but we cannot control others. So we need to understand that thing also, that controlling the situations, trying to get in control of everything, that also might be weighing us down. That also might be hindering our healing, you know, and we think that we have come this way, and again we go back to lot of things. So this back and forth might be because there are a lot of emotional healing left. So that is also, we need to work on the emotional healing also. And other part is like, yes, letting go is very important, that we cannot not holding grudges against others, letting go of all our past, what happened with us, understanding that that had to happen. We start blaming, okay, why did you do this, others, or also even God, why am I who, like, why me. But we need to understand that what we have done also, you know, if we have done bad karmas in our life, then that is going to come in many forms. So understanding, okay, that might be because of something that happened, something that I did, and just not taking it back, not just keeping it within us, just letting it go. Okay, that had to happen. Now what, how I'm going to move ahead is in my hand. That is very important. And with this, another important thing is taking stand for ourselves. So letting go does not mean that we are pleasing everybody. And if we need to take stand, like before fruit diet, I used to have a lot of friends and we used to eat together lunch, and also a lot of non-vegetarian, non-vegan things. I was also having that. But now when I turned vegan and I'm a fruitarian, so many times friends say that, we used to eat this, so I have made this for you, I made this for you, but politely saying, you know, this is, I'm not going to take that because I'm vegan, I'm fruitarian, I'm just having fruits. Yeah, if they get angry, I've cooked this with so much love, you know, you used to like it, I'm really sorry, but now, yeah, I did a lot of things before, but the time has come now, I'm not being part of any animal torture, or I'm not even taking any cooked food. So yeah, they might get angry, they might leave the path, but it's okay. Not holding any grudge against them, okay, but if they have to understand, if they respect my journey, they will come back. If they don't, then it's okay, the time has come to part. And taking stand for ourselves is also very important on what we are doing, you know, not being afraid of, like, okay, this person might get angry, this person might get angry, this person might get hurt, my parents might get hurt, my husband might get hurt. No, they won't get they will understand if they have to understand, and if they don't understand, then that is their journey, you know. But this is my journey, and I'm going to do what is right for me, and nobody can stop on that. I'm taking stand for myself, and I'm letting go of all other things that is holding me back. So try this, you know, the time has come mantra, and try letting go. If you are suffering from emotional hurdles that is weighing you down, I would suggest working on it. Changing food, going on fruit diet is excellent way, and also with that, working on our emotional is also important. And with fruit diet, it becomes easier to work on our emotions, because we are not consuming things that is weighing us down, but we are consuming that has highest vibration and highest energy. So that energy will give us the energy to let go, to not be bothered by small petty things and getting angry and getting upset, you know, or not being confident enough, or blaming ourselves, keeping ourselves down. So that will really help.